There you go. Kawasaki. Z125. Still just got a bath. Ashley's getting a bath. So, being as though we pulled up, we was getting ready to slide out. But being as though my homeboy said, man, go ahead and shoot the hose on it. Being as though I lent him my pressure washer. Because I was just going to wait and do it later. But he like, man, just hose it off. So I appreciate that good water bill that he going to pay for, allow me to use his hose. So that way we can wash off, we just going to really rinse off the mud because the truck was clean. So we're going to rinse it off. Nothing real big, nothing real heavy. But yeah, man, we had a good time. Give y'all a little walk around of it. Yeah, you see, we got cabbage on the front of it. Woo! And we got big cake mud. When I say big cake mud, I mean big cake mud. You know what I mean? And we got cabbage and mud under there. What else going on? So we gonna give her a bath, y'all, because that's what she needs. A good old bath. Well, we had fun. So, yeah. That's what she looked like after playing in the mud. With the exercise machine in the back. Son got his exercise on while we was mudding. Oh goodness, we got big cabbage back here. Big cabbage. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, it's all in there too. Goodness gracious. Look at that. Woo. Hey, Dave. Can I get my paper towel? It's in the back seat. We got big cabbage underneath the truck.
Oh, you got all that fucking crap.
Oh yeah. So, say we got big cabbage under the truck. Yeah, and it's still there. There's a lot of it.
exhaust came undone right here.
We know.
I need it undone before I went. Might as well do it right. Get everything. They kind of look cool. Well, it looks like you're trying to like demo it. What we should do? We'll clean this side so you can pull up to your house so Melissa don't know until she gets to the other side. What the fuck?
Right? She's like, what the
Ask him. I want to get my four wheeler. That's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting to get another four wheeler. That'd be fun. It was me. I think it may have been me. This is the part we interested in, that tire right there. bump.
Mud sucked all of my juice out of me. Ashy.
Fist bump.
Hey, look. He got more dirty than me. I got a little bit.
I had to run through the mud to record you, jerk.
Wasn't expecting, you know, play in the mud today, honestly.
You got me covered in mud that one time.
Y'all can see, I look like I was playing in mud. I ain't gonna lie. From where this truck came from, even though I got some rust spots, you know, I need a new bed regardless. But for what I did to it, that's a hell of a buy for $1,200. After all the stuff that I did to it. That's a $1,200 so far project that I've been working on, y'all. This is a project. Got the truck for 12. And it looked like I could sell her for more than that.
Probably could.
Hey, I know that's my thing. That felt so good. God damn,
Ooh.
that felt good.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, that does feel good.
Dang, oh my
You
God.
fishing?
Look how clean it is. Just from pressure wash.
Get more of that smoked trout.
Look, boy. The big black ram. That's her. Y'all tell me, should I change the name from Big Black Ram?
Big muddy ram.
Y'all let me know. I kind of like my Big Black Ram. I know it's a lot of people out there that feel like they got Big Black Ram, even though my truck ain't.
Yeah, let me
Like
know
that.
if you
But-
when you get more.
I
yeah.
definitely call it the Big Black Ram because she not the normal ram, so I can call her a Big Black Ram. She cleaning out the pressure water. I mean emptying it out. But yeah, I know it's a lot of other trucks out there.
You a mini black ram.
It's all good. I can't call it the mini ram because it's Big Black Ram. God damn it.
But it ain't that big, so you're a mini ram.
It's okay.
Big enough. Big enough to call it big.
Bigger than most
Yeah,
rams.
it's bigger than your ram. Bigger than the one you got, D.
It is. I'll ride over top of it, even though it's my car right now. Boom. Real quick. Boom. Boom. You know, down low shots is love. It's gonna still be dirty because it's just, you know, pressure washing. It's got some. It's okay though. It was gonna happen when you go off road. Little top layer heavy dirt off.